चीज के लिए आप पैसा दे रहे हो वो चीज की अगर वैल्यू ही नहीं मिलेगी तो फायदा क्या? So pay for cover, and with this we spoke about, right? Don't you hope to God that your insurance goes waste. Buy insurance that gives you nothing back, and you hope to God कि मैंने डाला और भगवान करे मुझे ये पैसा मेरा waste हो. This is the one time you should hope to God that this money goes completely waste.
Excuse me, would you please just read that once again?
Which one?
The paying for covering risk.
This one?
Yeah.
So when you say people cover themselves for Mediclaim, so if you, as I said, if your kidneys fail, two things happen. One, you have to go to hospital, get dialysis. That typically your Mediclaim policy will cover. Either the one at office or the one that you have bought separately. But typically that leads you also to lose your job or to have to get much lower salary or sometimes completely lose your salary. A critical illness policy gives you a lump sum. What does a life insurance policy do? Gives a lump sum to your family. A critical illness is financial death. Life insurance pays for physical death. A critical insurance pays for financial death because of illness. Accidental disability pays for financial death because of accident. And it pays to you rather than paying it to your family. So, suppose we had a young lady here. We have another young lady. You're married?
No.
So, do you have, is anybody dependent on your salary?
No.
So, does she need life insurance?
Yes.
You do? Okay, why?
Right now, no one is dependent. In future, I will never know.
So take it then. Why do you want to waste your money today?
She can save money.
Huh?
She will do this insurance in lower
Yeah, I
age,
can
Hmm.
say.
young age.
Okay.
Then she can save.
Okay. So because premiums are low. So she's going to, when are you, okay, that's a very personal question. Okay, we will discuss this separately. I have never been a proponent of saving money. I mean, don't buy something that you don't need. But definitely, do you need critical illness? You bet you do. Because if you fall sick, if your kidneys fail,
That is anytime.
okay, you will need it yourself. You have to support yourself, right? You don't have to support anybody else, but you have to support yourself. And you don't want to be dependent on anybody else at this stage, right? So, critical illness is required for earning members. It is not a Mediclaim policy. I think that really is the key. People confuse critical illness with Mediclaim.
What is the difference?
So, critical illness pays a lump sum. Mediclaim policies reimburse your hospital costs. They are two
But then
different.
how they are paid? Like, what is the kind of the payments being done? Means how much is,
That-
how you calculate it?
That depends on how much you buy it for.
Right.
You can buy critical illness for 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs also, which is how these add-ons are typically
These are
there.
matters, I think, which comes along with normal policy. If we pay additional.
Those are very small amounts. So you should typically buy them separately, which is when you will get your 50 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 80 lakhs.
Nobody approached us.
Yeah. Nobody
That's
makes
what-
nobody
No,
makes big commissions in this.
No, to be very
So
frank-
this is the issue. Nobody
To
makes
be
big
very
commissions
frank,
in
this is,
this.
This is a learning for me at least that there is such type of policy which can help, and definitely as you grow in your age, this is something which you
Only people who grow in their age need it.
no not like that.
Everybody
No.
needs it.
Because you have realized now that something has come up like this.
Correct.
Had it been 20 years back, I would have.
So
been
this
with
was
it.
not available 20 years back. This has been around only for the last 4-5 years.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
I would have gone for it.
Unfortunately, people buy it for 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, which is, so if your kidneys fail, they pay you 5 lakhs. ठीक है, काम आ जाएगा आपके 5 महीने 6 महीने का
लेकिन
खर्चा
जो-
चल जाएगा आपका.
लेकिन जो
उसके
आपने
आगे क्या?
जो आपने पैसा दिया उतना ही पैसा मिल जाता है
नहीं
वापस।
नहीं उससे बहुत ज्यादा मिलेगा ना सर. 5,000 के प्रीमियम पे अगर आपको 5 लाख मिलता है, पर भगवान करे नहीं मिले आपको, nobody wants that money, right?
That's what.
10
Ah.
times or 12 times.
Whatever is, no, it will be much more than 10 or 12 times. But the key issue is, you need you need as much critical illness as you need life insurance.
Yes.
There is not less. You need as much. And people frequently, even जिनको पता है वो भी अंडर इंश्योर करते हैं. एक्सीडेंटल डिसेबिलिटी तो है भी बहुत सस्ता. क्रिटिकल इलनेस तो महंगा है. एक्सीडेंटल डिसेबिलिटी तो है भी बहुत सस्ता. वो भी नहीं खरीदते हैं लोग.
12 times earning, what does it mean by 12 times earning?
Whatever, so this is a rule of the thumb. You should typically take a professional help, but if you want to do rule of the thumb, annual income multiplied by 12, उतना critical illness होना चाहिए, उतना accidental disability होना चाहिए, और उतना ही online term plan होना चाहिए.
So,
Now what is this online term?
A term plan is a pure insurance plan, जहाँ पे पैसा वापिस नहीं मिलता.
It is purely this
Insurance cover.
इंश्योरेंस कवर, मर गए तो फैमिली को पैसा मिलेगा, वरना आपका पैसा गया.
Yeah.
और भगवान करे चला जाए पैसा, आपका वेस्ट होना चाहिए.
don't invest in insurance, just take the insurance plans, pure insurance. One is pure insurance, then you say cover the
Online term plan, that's life.
okay.
Critical illness, you get online, offline, both. All plans you get online, offline, both. Accidental disability, you get online, offline, both.
But in this critical illness, the premium is calculated again with the age and all those
Obvious,
factors.
yes. Higher your age,
The more
higher
will
is
be
the premium. But once you take it, it remains fixed.
Okay.
Once you take it,
And every year we are supposed to pay.
every year you're supposed to pay.
Okay, Chief, also I wanted to understand, like, there are general insurances where, when you take it for your house and, you cover your house against
Householders insurance, yes.
So,
You should take it, absolutely.
But they are not also commonly that you know.
It's
about
not at
it.
all. How many people have householders policy?
I
in the
बोला
room?
ना, मतलब I wanted to do it. I found out my agent also, he also didn't do
See,
it.
इसमें ये सारी पॉलिसीज में पैसा कोई नहीं बनाता, ये कोई आपको आके बेचेगा नहीं.
रिकमेंड नहीं करता.
हाँ, आप बोलोगे तो वो दे देगा.
वो भी discourage करेगा.
हाँ,
वो भी discourage कर देता है.
discourage करेगा.
बोलने
Because
के बाद भी अपने जो है कहीं मिला नहीं है.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ.
so that we can tell you. That is where if you have, so we will come to that. कि why, how can you buy these policies that are relevant for you and not necessarily through an agent? So before that, a quick recap of whatever we have learned, the rules to make friends with money. So we must estimate goal values after taking inflation into account. We must prioritize our goals. If we don't have enough money for all our goals, we must decide which goals are more important, which are less. Buy online term insurance, online critical illness, online accidental disability, 12 times of yearly income, and adequate and appropriate health insurance. For whom should you buy health insurance?
For you and your
You,
family.
family, independent.
Anybody who's so, if your parents are not dependent, should you buy health insurance for them? Why? They're not dependent on you.
You need to check if they already have one.
No, so what happens with parents is typically they may not be dependent on you for day-to-day living, but if they get admitted to a
Yes.
hospital,
It is
okay,
unforeseen.
you might have to pay, and then you might as well take insurance. I mean, increasingly given our social structure, we are finding clients where we encourage them to take it for their in-laws as well. Okay, we encourage them to take it for their servants as well, because आपका ड्राइवर है, वो या उसकी फैमिली में कोई बीमार पड़ेगा, वो आके पैसा आपसे ही लेगा. ठीक है, उस समय उसको पैसा देने से अच्छा है कि आप
उसको कवर करो.
इंश्योरेंस कवर कर लो. Don't mix insurance and investment. Invest systematically to meet specific goals. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Make specific, this is another thing. Even when you want to, so if you want to invest in certain portion in equity, some of that is for retirement, some of that is for your child's education. We typically recommend to people that you have separate stocks, separate schemes for that, so that each investment that you make acquires a characteristic. This is for Karan's education, this is for our retirement, and things like that. That helps you keep the discipline. We spoke about discipline. When you give a name to an investment, which is different from ICICI Pru Focus Blue Chip, it is no longer ICICI Pru Focus Blue Chip. If it is Karan's education plan, right, then the chances that you will continuously invest in that and will not let the ECS bounce, if it bounces you will still continue it, chances increase. You should review your investment periodically. As we said, don't use credit cards except in emergencies. Don't buy those plum cakes. Pay off credit cards fully by month end, wherever you have to use. Don't take any loan except a home loan.
When you use your credit card and you pay by a month the full amount, I think still it is not harmful.
Yeah, as long as you've not done impulse purchases. Otherwise, you've spent money that you didn't intend to spend.
The thing which you said they don't charge you, but if you do heavy purchases or something like that, for instance, if you go to a jeweler's shop,
Right.
he charges you extra.
So that is, so that's, I'm saying don't use credit cards except in emergencies. जहाँ यूज किया वहाँ कम से कम महीने के एंड में पेमेंट कर दो. ब्याज तो मत दो. गलत परचेज, गलत एक्सपेंस तो लग गया, उस पे ब्याज तो मत दो 50% के ऊपर. Okay? And if you can't do this yourself, you can take the help of a professional financial planner. Now that's a new profession that has been around for 3 to 3 years. Last 3-4 years it's come into real limelight. There is nothing here that you can't do yourself. Okay? This is plain simple common sense. Okay? But typically like exercise, so I exercise 7 days or at least 6 days in a week. Okay? I have a trainer who comes home and who helps me do that. Now there is nothing he tells me that I can't do on my own. Okay? But because he is there, he will correct these small little errors that creep in. More importantly, because he comes and sits on my head, I have to do those bloody exercises. If he didn't come, I would be out there reading the newspaper. Okay? So I think a professional helps you do things that you also know you should be doing. And obviously, invariably over time, small little errors will creep in.
Here I think I will disagree with you in certain things, because there are people who say they are professional and they try to give their own say rather than listening to you.
Excellent question.
Which is the major hassle.
How many people agree with that?
Chocolate.
How many people agree with that? Yes. I think this question deserves a chocolate. How many people agree with that? Yeah, very, very true. Right?
And that is why you refrain from them, you don't want, you get irritated.
Absolutely. And who's to blame for that?
Yourself.
Yes. Let's see whether you agree. So, I'm going to ask you a final question. Okay? Now you have this big case coming up. Okay? And you come to know who's a prominent lawyer. Who do you think is a very prominent lawyer? Anybody?
Yes, I'm a lawyer by profession, but I'm not a prominent lawyer.
Okay. So, tell me a prominent lawyer.
Prominent for DNA.
Okay. Give me a prominent lawyer's name. Who's the most prominent lawyer according to you? Ram Jethmalani. Now Ram Jethmalani comes and offers to fight your case for free. Okay. Will you hire him?
First place, there should be some case where...
I'm saying, please assume there is a big case coming up that has a life and death effect on you. Okay. And now Ram Jethmalani comes and says, I will fight this case for free. Will you hire him?
Automatically you feel, why is he rendering services for
Will you hire him?
No.
No. Ram Jethmalani is come himself and says, I will fight your case for free. And you still not hire him.
There is no free thing in the world, boss.
You are in a life and death situation.
Okay.
There is
Will
no
you hire him?
There is no free lunch.
Will you hire him?
कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा.
Ram Jethmalani will come.
He'll come.
Station, yes.
You will hire him. Okay.
If he isn't getting anything directly out of it, that means he's getting something indirect. So I will-
What can be indirect? What indirect thing can he
It
have?
has to be. There is no free lunch.
Huh?
It is more of the
Yeah, there is no free lunch. समझ में आता है हाँ? There is no free lunch. Okay. Finance advice किससे लेते हैं हम? हाँ? वो जो आप बोल रहे थे ना, wrong advice देता है.
Wrong advice